In this question, you're asked to find the range of y is equal to sine pi by 2 times integer part of x. Sine of pi by 2 times integer part of x. So range means, know that if you assume this as a machine, the numbers which comes out constitute the range of the function. That is, the values of x which can go in constitute the domain of the function, and the values of y which comes out, the values of this function constitute the range of this function. So this is a very tricky question. So now, in this question, you have a sine function and an integer part of x function. Now what do you know about integer part? So as different x's goes inside this integer part of x will always be an integer. So whatever x goes in, integer part will always be an integer. So y will be equal to sine of pi by 2 times an integer z. So as z varies, what are the different values that sine pi by 2 times integer can take? So if z is equal to 0, you get sine 0 as the answer. Is you get y is equal to 0. If z is equal to 1, you get sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 is 1 as the answer. If z is equal to 2, so z is equal to 0, you get 0 as the answer. Z is equal to 1, you get sine pi by 2, 1 as the answer. If z is equal to 2, 2 by 2 is 1, so sine pi, again you get 0 as the answer. If you put z is equal to 3, sine of 3 times pi by 2, that is sine 270 degrees, you get minus 1 as the answer. If you put z is equal to 4, you get sine of 4 pi by 2, 0 as the answer. If you put 5, sine of 5 pi by 2 plus 1, again minus 1, so on. So as you go on putting different numbers in the place of z, you go on getting 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, so on. So in terms of range, you get only these 3 numbers. So range is nothing but the set containing, have flower brackets here, the set containing 0, 1 and minus 1. So this will be the range of this function.